I went through a period of time where I was like, do I really want to continue posting on YouTube? Why don't I just trade and relax? Let me just trade, because trading enough is already making me good money. Why even stress trying to keep up with making videos and content? I was really debating if I really wanted to continue, but I know how it felt trying to learn how to trade, knowing how passionate I wanted to trade and really wanted to make this skill work. Because what is up, guys? It is James and I am back with another video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video and I kind of want to talk about that. Where have I been? Why haven't I been uploading? And I'm gonna be honest, I was thinking a lot over the past 2 weeks, and I almost quit YouTube. I got complacent. I asked myself, do I really want to do YouTube? Do I really want to keep up with uploading videos? And I was thinking a lot past 2 weeks, and here I am on camera updating you guys on what I think I'm going to do going forward. But just to give you guys a little update on what I've been up to, still been trading. 2 weeks ago I posted a little community update. I'm not sure if you guys saw it, but I took 2 trades 2 weeks ago and I was feeling sick. I had a fever and I wasn't able to record trade recaps for those 2 trades, but I was trading. And then last week I did take a vacation. I went on a cruise that went to Mexico, went to Cabo and Ensenada, and that was an amazing trip. I wasn't sick anymore. I'll throw up some pictures. Here's a picture of Cabo, and then here's a video of me doing ATVing. That was super sick, super fun. I want an ATV now just because that was pretty fun doing. But yeah, over those past 2 weeks while I was in Cabo, while I was on vacation, I was thinking, what do I want to do with YouTube? Do I really want to continue? Because I'm gonna be honest, keeping up with trade recaps kind of gets boring. I started feeling like all my trades just started looking the same. All my trades are practically the same, and I really didn't know. I didn't really think it was providing too much value because all the trades are pretty similar. I mean, it started feeling repetitive, and it just started getting boring, and I didn't know if I wanted to continue uploading trade recaps. And I got a lot of messages, a lot of comments asking where I went. I just kind of disappeared, and I was just reflecting a lot while I was on vacation, and I didn't know if I wanted to continue with the whole YouTube journey or not. But here I am back on the camera, and I've decided what I want to do. So that's where I've been the past 2 weeks, kind of just thinking back. But I'm back on the camera, and I'm very, very excited because I've made my decision on if I'm going to continue doing YouTube or not. And basically, long story short, I'm going to be creating a free course on YouTube. Gonna still post trade recaps. I'm not gonna post all my trade recaps anymore just because they start feeling repetitive, but I wanted to upload something that will help all traders. If you're starting from just beginning, don't know anything, just getting into trading, or if you're intermediate or advanced, I want to post something on YouTube that will help all levels of trading, because I know how it was back then when I was trying to learn how to trade, and there's so much free content. Everything you need to know about trading is on YouTube, but that's the problem. There's so much free content on YouTube, so much. You don't know what works. There's so many strategies on how to trade, what works, what the best strategy is. There's not a best strategy. All strategies work. But me, I started trading Forex 4 years ago, futures 1 year ago, and I went through the whole journey. It took me so long to even see my first payout. And finally, I got my first couple of payouts, and now I went through a period of time where I was like, do I really want to continue posting on YouTube? Why don't I just trade and relax? Just relax. Don't have to worry about the stress of uploading content. Let me just trade, because trading enough is already making me good money. Why even stress trying to keep up with making videos and content? I was really debating if I really wanted to continue, but I know how it felt trying to learn how to trade, knowing how passionate I wanted to trade and really wanted to make this skill work, because I saw all these people trading, making it work, and I thought how good it would be once I turned profitable. And now that I'm profitable, it's amazing. It feels amazing finally learning the skill that I've been trying to learn for the past 4 years. And basically, people have been asking me to put them on. Close friends of mine, they're asking if I can teach them, and I always tell them, if I teach people, if I make a course, they can get it for free. And I was thinking to myself, do I want to start teaching people? Do I want to make a course? And would I sell a course? And after deep thinking and just really thinking about it, I'm not even gonna sell a course for now. I'm gonna make it for free. I mean, I just wanna help people. I mean, this is giving me a new sense of purpose of just helping. I wanna help just all the lost traders, all the traders that are still trying to find their edge. I wanna be able for people to just say, follow this guy's YouTube and he'll teach you everything from A to Z. You won't have to know anything from trading, and he'll get you to understand the markets, understand what you need to know in order to get a payout from some prop firms. Just understand the market, everything you need to know. I want to brain dump everything I learned over the past 4 years, everything I learned the past year from learning futures. All the knowledge that I acquired from trying to go from mentor to mentor and finally feeling like I know how the markets work and how to extract money from markets and from prop firms. I want to show you guys everything. I just want to brain dump, create a whole playlist of videos, literally telling everything I want to know, everything I know about trading. And I'm just super excited because I don't know how many people this will help. If it helps one person, if it just helps my friends, I don't care how many people it helps. I just want to help people. If it helps one person, I'll be satisfied with that. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to be creating a free course. Not really a free course, more like just a playlist of videos from step 1 to step how many videos I need in order to get out, in order to feel like I gave everything I had in myself to make someone profitable, what I think is needed in order to become profitable, everything I know about trading. I just want to give all my knowledge away to you guys. So very excited for that. That will be coming very soon. Second thing I want to talk about is why I think you guys should start trading. And for me, I started trading 4 years ago, and I saw the vision. I never gave up. I was so delusional in trying to make trading work because I knew that it's possible to change your life from trading. And trading now is starting to finally click for me, and I see endless opportunity with trading. If you didn't know, trading, it all depends on you. And you don't have to, it's not the typical 9 to 5. It is a very hard skill to learn, and it is very hard, but very, very rewarding. So many people think that trading is gambling because, yeah, 90% of traders never make money from trading, but the other 10%, those are the people that actually stuck to trying to learn the skill of trading. Because I know that trading is not gambling. I've put in 4 years of trying to learn trading, and it is an honest skill set that you need to learn. And it is something that will expose you if you don't know how to control yourself, because trading is very, very simple. It is a very, very simple skill to learn, but it's very, very hard. All trading is really is pressing a button from your mouse on your computer or from your phone. It's just a simple click of pressing buy or sell, and then executing your strategy that you have. And that is what is so cool about trading, is because it is so simple to do. A baby can press buy or sell, but executing it is what is hard. And what I like about trading so much is that it gives you so much free time. It gives you the ability to trade from wherever in the world. You don't have to be stuck at a certain location. I was working a job a month and a half ago, and that is something I hated back when I was working a job. I was stuck to a schedule. Sometimes I was covering shifts. I was working a minimum wage job, and I was stuck to a schedule that someone gave me. I had to follow that schedule. Sometimes I had to cover shifts, and I didn't really know what my schedule was going to be. And on top of that, if I want some days off, I had to request those days off. And that's what it was, a request. Sometimes I wouldn't get those days off. And that was really, really frustrating, because someone controlled my life. Someone was controlling my schedule. It wasn't up to me on what I wanted to do. And now that I don't work that job and I'm a full-time day trader, I control my own schedule. I can do whatever I want. I went on vacation last week for a whole week, and I can plan trips going into the future without having the stress of knowing if I'll be able to get that time off or not. I won't have to ask in advance, hey, can I get this whole week off? No, I can plan something next week, because if I want to go on a trip next week, because I learned the skill of trading. I can trade while I'm on the trip. That is why it is so lucrative. On top of that, trading is so scalable. With a normal job, you're set to the amount of money that your employer wants to pay you. Maybe you get a pay raise every month. But with trading, it is very, very scalable. You can go from making no money to $10,000 a month within 1 year. And then $10,000 is not even capped. $10,000 a month is $120,000 a year, which is already a lot of money. But with trading, there truly is no limit with how much money you can make. You can make $100,000 a month, $50,000 a month. It really just depends on how well you do at trading and how much capital you have. If you have a lot of capital, you can make a lot of money. And the good thing with trading is there's companies, these prop firms that allow you to trade their capital. And that is currently what I'm doing. I don't have a lot of capital, but I was able to learn a skill, understand how to use these prop firms, and now I'm able to make $10K a month, more than $10K a month if I wanted to. And that is just why I'm so happy that I stuck to trading. Just being able to trade on my own time, trade wherever I want to, be able to set my own schedule, be able to scale how much money I make. It all depends on me. It's something not everyone can do, but if you really stick to it, if you really truly believe that you can do it, it is so worth it to learn how to trade, because the money is good, the freedom is amazing, and I'm so happy that I stuck to it for the 4 years that I was trying to learn. It was a very, very tough journey trying to learn through it. A lot of low points. I almost quit a lot, but I stuck through it all, and through those 4 years, through all the adversity, I gained so much knowledge, and I just want to give back all the knowledge that I learned over the years. I want to simplify everything, cut out all the BS, just show you guys what you guys need to know. And I'm going to create a whole playlist from A to Z, starting from beginner. It might be simple. Everything that I'm going to be teaching is already online, but I'm going to be putting it in a very clear roadmap and showing you guys what is needed. Cut out all the fluff, what I think is fluff, how exactly I trade, and it's just something that I wish I had when I was trying to learn. And my strategy is just continuation. So if you're going to want to learn continuations, I highly recommend just subscribing if you haven't already, and just watching my playlist as I create it. And I'm just very, very excited. So that is where I'm at for you guys. A new purpose for me to just teach people, doing it all for free, just uploading it on my YouTube. And I'm excited to try to help people. You know, if you have friends that are trying to learn, let them know, because I think this is going to be game changer for people trying to learn continuations, learn how to trade. I feel like if you told someone that knew absolutely zero, I feel like I will be able to get them to their first payout. So that is all I really have to say for you guys. A little quick update on where I've been, why I think trading is something you guys should try to learn if you haven't already started learning. It's not easy, but it's definitely worth it. So that's all I have to say for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I will be starting that playlist, my course, very, very, very soon, and I'm very, very excited to get started on it. So I appreciate you guys for listening to the very, very end. If you did, I'll leave my social media in the description down below. Give me a follow if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time when I'm starting my course. My free course. So appreciate you guys for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Share the video to all your friends. Let them know that there's gonna be something game changer coming. So that is all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.